Hi, I'm Dr. Ramkrishna, consultant cardiologist in Narayana Hrudayalaya Hospital. Basically, I'm here to talk about some of the congenital anomalies which occur by birth in children. Most of them are like either holes in the heart or some abnormal communications between two arteries or veins, which we call them as defects. The other things are major problems in the structural, the buildup of the heart itself is abnormal. Many of the children have holes. Holes are a very common problem in children, and many of them will need some type of closure, either surgical or non-surgical kinds of closure. These days we have non-surgical ways of closure like devices and all, we call them devices. So these are basically non-surgical, they don't need opening of the chest, they are just like a keyhole surgeries which we do in laparoscopy. We approach to the groin and we have some specific things called devices which act like basically plugs or which will occlude the holes. For example, this child has an abnormal communication between the aorta and the pulmonary artery. This child has an abnormal communication between the aorta and the pulmonary artery. This can be detected by a 2D echocardiogram or by doing an angiogram like this. We can close this defect by this, something called a device. It acts like a plug and just close off the abnormal communication. This is one kind of holes or abnormal communications which can occur in children, and most of them can be actually closed without surgery. The other kind of abnormal communications that can occur are holes, actually holes in the heart, which are communications between two chambers in the heart. Like this patient had a hole between the two atria, which we had closed by putting a device. This is a device which has closed the communication between the two chambers of the heart, and after releasing, the device will just stay in the heart like this and the hole is closed. So many of the cases like this can be done without surgery, without opening of the chest.